We've all heard it before. Google is always listening. You mention a product out loud, and the next thing you know, there's an ad for it on your phone. Creepy, right? But here's the shocking part. Google isn't actually listening to you the way most people think. Let's break down what's really happening behind the scenes. First off, yes, your devices do have microphones, and yes, Google does use them for features like Hey Google voice commands. When your phone or smart speaker detects that wake phrase, it starts recording so it can process what you said. But until that moment, it's not constantly sending your conversations to Google's servers. Instead, it's listening locally for those specific trigger words. However, here's where the confusion starts. Sometimes your device mishears something that sounds like Hey Google and begins recording anyway. Those accidental activations can capture snippets of private conversations, which are then analyzed to improve voice recognition. Google says these clips are anonymized and deleted after a time, but for privacy advocates, that's still too close for comfort. Now, what makes people think Google is listening all the time? It's the power of data tracking and targeted advertising. Google collects massive amounts of information from your search history, YouTube views, location data, apps you use, and even your emails if you're on Gmail. All that data paints a picture so detailed, it can feel like Google must have overheard your conversations. For example, if you searched for running shoes last week, watched a fitness video yesterday, and drove past a sports store today, Google's algorithms might decide you're interested in workout gear, and suddenly, you're seeing ads for sneakers. It's not magic or eavesdropping, it's predictive profiling based on patterns of your digital behavior. Still, privacy concerns are valid. Google's ecosystem thrives on collecting data to improve services and personalize ads. That's why you'll want to check your privacy settings. Go to your Google account, Data and Privacy, and review what's being tracked, especially web and app activity, location history, and voice and audio activity. You can pause or delete that data anytime. You can also use Google's My Ad Center to manage what kinds of ads you see, or turn off ad personalization altogether. So is Google listening to everything? Technically, yes, it listens for certain words. But no, it's not secretly spying on every word you say. The real issue isn't eavesdropping, it's how much of your digital life you willingly share without realizing it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other tech myths or privacy topics you want explained next. Stay aware, stay secure, and don't forget, your data is your power.